Hello everyone, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in Australia. I would like to welcome you to my All About Sale-A-Bration class. If you've never heard about Sale-A-Bration before, it's a once a year promotion that Stampin' Up! Have, and you can earn free items from this catalog, and that's what we're using in this class. There are also other incentives for joining and also for hosting a party, so you get free things all around for doing all those things. So in the class we are making 4 cards, so I do have a video for each card, and I also have a project sheet which lists all of the products that I have used in each card and which catalog and where in that catalog you can find them. So 4 cards that we're making. This is our Trusty Tools Designer Series paper card, also using Heartfelt Hellos stamp set. This is our Softly Sophisticated card, also using perennial postage dies and the stylish shapes dies and the Sale-A-Bration bling, which is the opaque faceted gems. We have Sunny Days and the Cloud Punch and the Softly Sophisticated stamp set. We have Jungle Pals that I have done some colouring with Stampin' Blends, and I've used both the stamp set and the dies that are 2 separate items in Sale-A-Bration, as well as the Heartfelt Hellos stamp set. So I hope you enjoy the videos that I have made for you. If you have any questions or queries or I've missed something, please don't hesitate to reach out and I will happily help you. I look forward to seeing you in my next class, which is using the Perennial Lavender collection that is in the January to April mini catalogue. Enjoy your Sale-A-Bration products and my cards, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.